Hello, this is Dr. Ayashola Ogundele, Astronautics for Exploit. The new global energy economy, a trillion kilowatts economy. The focus points of my presentation are as follows: evolution of the global energy transition and the new global energy economy. Industrial revolution, the process of transition from an agrarian economy, an economy dependent on farming and raising of animals, and handicraft economy, three machine manufacturing processes, occurred between the years 1760 and 1840. During this period, various novel ways of working and living conditions transformed the world and changed the world's economic order. The transition to the Industrial Revolution period, headed by the technological changes, led to the rise of industrialized system. After the evolution of Industrial Revolution, the global economy, the system of trade and industry across the world which emerged due to globalization and also refers to as economy of the planet Earth, that is gross domestic product, became more integrated and the world regions became much more dependent on each other. A new global energy economy, an emerging energy economy projected to grow to trillions of dollars in years to come, is being invested into by various countries and private companies based on the present need to reduce carbon emissions. Research findings show that achievement of net zero emissions require an unparalleled increase in investment in clean energy. The technologies behind the renewable energies, which is the cornerstone of the global energy transition, are accelerating the growth of world's capacity to generate clean energy for the betterment of humankind. Various government policies and clean energy goals set up by the COP's 2060 Climate Change Conference are driving the forces behind the evolution of the clean energies. Evolution of the global energy transition. Energy transition reverses to the global energy sector's shift from fossil-based systems of energy production and consumption, including oil, natural gas and coal, to renewable energy sources like wind and solar, as well as lithium-ion batteries. The key drivers of the energy transition are the increasing penetration of renewable energy into the energy supply mix, the onset of electrification, and improvements in energy storage. The picture here shows an artist's impression of space solar power system. Renewable energy. Presently, renewable energy sources have become a powerful and cost-effective source of electricity. Worldwide, there is a fall in price of solar and wind. Wind and solar power are becoming cheaper than traditional high-carbon energy resources. As costs continue to fall and wind and solar become mainstream, the renewable energy sector is keeping growing and solidifying as a strong investment opportunity. The picture here shows emerging innovations for the integration of solar and wind power. The current energy transition strategy is part of the broader goal of reducing carbon emissions, greenhouse gas emissions, and the rise of global temperatures. One of the cornerstone goals of the Paris Agreement is to keep global warming below 2 degrees Celsius and preferably below 1.5 degrees Celsius. For successful switching to the renewable energy, countries and companies are mapping out a strategy which will aid the transition. The picture here shows priorities for the successful energy transformation path. Transitioning from fossil fuels to renewable energy is forecasted to reduce another 50% of the needed emissions reductions. Coupled with the energy efficiency strategy, this makes up 90% of the goal. High investment in clean energy and cost reduction of renewable energy are some of the factors emphasized to encourage shift in customer behavior and facilitating energy transition. The picture here shows Energy Transition Index, the new global energy economy. Global economy is the economy of all humans of the world, referring to the global economic system, which includes all economic activities conducted both within and between nations, including production, consumption, economic management, work in general, exchange of financial values, and trade of goods and services. Each country is a separate unit with its own industrial production, labor market, financial market, resources, and environment. The picture here shows global energy transition. Energy markets are national and international regulated markets that deal specifically with the trade and supply of energy. Energy market may refer to an electricity market, but can also refer to other sources of energy. Typically, energy development is the result of a government creating an energy policy that encourages the development of an energy industry in a competitive manner. The picture here shows concept image of a future in-orbit demonstration of a space-based solar power beaming satellite. Consumer rights protection. Energy markets are regulated by national and international authorities so as to protect consumer rights. Recently, there has been a movement towards renewable and sustainable energy. This, therefore, is aiding shifting from fossil fuel-based energy economy into the renewable energy economy. The picture here shows illustration of space-based solar power system. Energy projection. It has been projected that the global energy market will grow from about $70 billion to $147.56 billion by the year 2029. The urge to reduce the world dependency on fossil fuels and reduce carbon emission has led to the increase in demand for renewable energy. The picture here shows illustration of a facility of renewable energy production. Economic and environmental advantages offered by the renewable energies. It has been forecasted that the adoption of renewable energies will increase tremendously worldwide, and this will lead to the expansion of the energy market. Another driving factor for the new global energy economy is that several countries have established policies that will promote sustainable power, and this has helped in increasing the energy market. The picture here shows the Sangogios Pass wind farm. Another driving factor of the new global energy economy is the high demand for energy in different sectors. Residential, industrial, and commercial buildings require an uninterrupted electricity, and this is driving the energy market. The picture here shows solar and wind power projects. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been watching and listening to the new global energy economy, a trillion kilowatts economy, presented by Dr. Anyashola Ogundele, Astronautics for Exploit, with the focus points evolution of the global energy transition and the new global energy economy. Thank you.